help for the weekend's gone, so it's back to me backfilling this now. The approach we took, rightly or wrongly, with lots of shutters. This was Deck's idea more than mine. Well, it was Deck's idea. Lots of shutters and just keep piling soil against it from the back. So I've gone and brought 5 or 6 ton of soil from the top, dumped it just here with the trailer, and I'm moving it there with the big digger to feed the little digger to put it on the top, and then I can manhandle it down working with gravity. So let's go. So now I'm going to let nature do its work. I let the rain for a few weeks compact that. Thanks, Deck. And I'll do the next section along. But there's a lot more soil than I thought was going to be here. But I have gone right to this buttress. I was thinking of cutting this buttress back a little that way, but when these boards get taken out, I'll kind of level it with the best I can with a spade and then scrape anything left out at the end once this once the steps are built. So that's the plan. I'm going to tickle around the top bit, the roof bit next, drag a bit that way, and looks like I put a bit too much up there, but I'll drag the rest that side, and should be somewhere near then really, which is nice. So I'll leave this for a couple of weeks, replicate this setup another 6 foot that way, and then that's it, I hope. I've still got quite a few tons of soil here for the landscaping of the whole area really. Once I've got these steps built to above ground level, I kind of know what I'm dealing with levels wise then, so I can start the tickling around a bit more then. But I don't want to go too fussy because I've still got mortar to mix, and grass doesn't do very well with that, so I don't want it too perfect yet, but it'll get there. Next summertime probably the grass will have recovered, and it'll be looking like, well, hopefully this will be looking like it's always been here. Stairs will be looking like they've always been there, and the landscaping will be all nice and green, and I'll be cursing it because it will need mowing. So I think it's coffee time now, and then after coffee we'll be putting a couple of courses of stonework on these steps. I think I'll film that, but I'll put that as a separate video. Cheers.